Hey Jake, I made one phone call. I got the same house as you. Same cars too, it's really not that hard. Oh hey, by the way, welcome to the top, little brother. Feels good, huh? But let's not forget how you got here. Yeah, little brother Jakey try to roast me? What? Little brother standing on his own 2 feet?
Stop.
Not for long, I'm a dog, you're a puppy, call your calm. Let's talk about your garbage that you call a song.
Hey everyone, my name's Alan.
It should be every other day, just some strong advice. I made you famous once, it's about to happen twice.
Yeah, we should make a show about it. Let's go.
Yeah, you on Disney, but who helped you read all your lines? That's me. Don't forget, boy, you were my shadow on Vine. Now you got a few subscribers and you think that you're the shit. I'll admit, you got money, you got bars, you got shit, but you're a dick.
We do a lot of stuff about pranksters and goofsters and gaffsters and YouTube, you know, stuff. But
you ain't thankful for your fans, it's kinda funny. Do your investors know Team 10 ain't making any money? It starts with the talent, but it's hard when you got none.
Baby. It's so good.
I think you kinda salty cause I'm the favorite son.
get in the pussy wagon.
I'm a maverick, you're a sidekick, yeah, I brought you to LA. If there's one thing you should know, you don't fuck with the Logan. Hold up, I'ma throw it. Looking at your face, you don't know what it means to glow up. Trying to dance and act the classes, doing nothing, now you tried to rap, come on, hold up. Catch the flow, you can't, oh no. Maybe Team 10's got it, I mean that's how you grow.
But you still can't sell out any shows, no you still can't find some matching clothes.
What?
You just killing the vibe, yeah. You ain't doing it right, yeah. Trying to play ball with the dogs, you don't know what you done, you just ruin your life, yeah. You're killing the vibe, yeah. You ain't doing it right, yeah. Trying to play ball with the dogs, you don't know what you done, you just ruin your life, yeah. What happened, Jake, man, we used to love each other. After all, we came from the same mother. Biologically, you know that makes us brothers. So much negativity, it really makes me wonder why? I feel like you just need a maverick shirt. When you insult me, Jakey, it really hurts. Sometimes I wish my real brother was dirt. But now I gotta go and put you in the dirt. Whoa, wait, what? Hold up, why'd the music stop? Oh, that's Alyssa Violet, used to be your chick. Now she in the Logan and you know she on my team.
Awesome, dude. I want to meet him so bad.
Those cars ain't yours, man, that shit was just floated. Gun tattooed on your leg, cause she knew you were loaded. I act in movies that your fans watch with their babysitters. I thought you were my boy, yes I have a baby sister. You're trying to be a model, should've kept Neil's Visser.
Throw it a little. Okay, in case you guys didn't think low enough of me, okay? Just want to show you what I'm all about, okay?
Go make another video about who's the better kisser. Is it called Team 10 because you take 10% of your friends? That's fucked up, Jake. When the contract dies, so does the career. It ends. That's also a fact. Are you mad just cause you couldn't sign the Dolans? Smarter than you. So you had to replace them with some Spanish twins? Weak. It's every day, bro. Do you give up at night?
What is this?
We 24/7, man. You picked the wrong fight. I'm a savage. You are average. I'm a beast. I'm going.